breakfast today. Got our new table here set up. Got my breakfast ready to go. We have to take off early today to visit my nephew in the hospital. He was in an accident at work. He's an engineer for a construction company that's building a big resort type motel, and something fell on him. I'm not sure exactly what. We're going to find that out when we go to the hospital today. That crushed his legs, both legs, and he's had to have a couple surgeries already, and we're not sure of the condition, but that's going to be our trip for today. We got to go to Karat, so it's about a 3-hour drive from here. So we'll update as we go.
And I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you.
In 500 meters, turn left.
500 meters.
And where we again. And gonna turn a lot. That is good that they have side big, huh?
In English.
Yeah, ช้างเผือก community.
Karat Hospital left turn.
Yeah,
Turn left.
Municipal
Turn
Stadium left. Right.
turn left and turn right. Alright, this hospital, oh my god. เลี้ยวซ้าย get mad at me.
Now what?
Left,
What's it say?
have to go left, you see that?
Turn right.
No, just
Yeah, turn that off. You
Yeah.
read signs. Tell me what signs say to do.
you can hear or hear. That emergency, this OPD. Oh, go straight, baby. Go straight to M Park. Yeah, the red one, M Park. Yeah. M Park. อาคารทันตกรรม M Park, yeah, here. Parking, yeah. And turn left. Free. Today free. Yeah, okay. Turn left here. Yeah.
Open
They
from
have-
6 to 8.
They have 8. Here, turn left.
Here's a shuttle to take you where you need to go.
Turn right, turn right. When outside out there. Low gear. Open the light and low gear.
The lights turn on automatically.
Okay. Be careful. Left car come. Turn right, baby. They can stop you. วนขึ้น6 รอบ 6 round. Go up.
You have to go up to the 6th floor?
6 round. I don't know. วนขึ้น yeah. 6 round. Yeah. They said just go and go. If no park.
Oh, here's the 3rd floor.
ลานจอดรถ Oh yeah, yeah. Go here. Oh my God. Just go out, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. 5 round. Go more. Be careful left side. They said every time. Go more. Okay.
Both sides.
Okay.
You see lights in the mirror there? You can see coffee.
I did on the
Okay.
I just think that they are on. It's not.
Yeah, you have to go up.
Yeah, so I just think that every store, what the hell? How many people have parked? They go up.
You may have parking on your way back down.
How many go down? Let's go up.
Sign, no parking.
Yeah. What? Oh, you want
Yeah.
What? Already. What is that?
Holy cow.
Yeah. Let's go beyond. Running in the back. No, that's not parking garage. Yeah.
Now, keep on. That means parking. First parking floor.
Okay. Where come? Slow. Where come?
Just click
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
On the side.
Go back in the middle.
Okay. Small area. Small area.
I can't see. Go. Parking on, can't see. We're very high up in the parking garage. We're on the 6th floor, but this is the first level you can actually park on. As we were coming up,
We are in a parking lot. It's called M Park in Nakhon Ratchasima. Oh no, Maharaj Nakhon Ratchasima Hospital.
all right. We're in the hospital at where? Nakhon Ratchasima.
Maharaj Nakhon Ratchasima Hospital.
They have a shopping mall inside the hospital, and there's like 4 floors, 3 or 4 floors, where you can get food or shop for clothing items. And it has parking garage above this. It starts on, I think it was the 5th floor. They call it P1 though. Okay, we have to take a shuttle to go to the emergency from here. So it's like 800 meters away.
M Park.
We took the shuttle to get to the emergency room area at the hospital.
อันนี้ใช่ไหมคะ อันไหนคะ
So I think we get out
อ๋อ
here.
มีรถตู้จอด
Ambulances bringing patients into the hospital. It's a big hospital, a lot bigger than I expected to see when we came here. This is Korat, and I didn't know it means it's the actual name is Nakhon Ratchasima, but everybody calls it Korat. Our nephew is resting right now. You can see that it's a bad break in this part of his leg. Also, the knee on this leg has an injury on the knee on that side, and he broke also the ankle and above the ankle on that side. What an injury. Horrible. He's an engineer working on a project that had something went wrong He was in the wrong spot. Something very heavy. I'm not sure exactly what yet. I'm going to talk to him in a minute. Fell on him and crushed his legs. After a further update, we found out that his knee is broken here and they had to put a pin in it. They just did surgery on that one. And besides the ankle areas, his big toe is fractured and they also had to put a pin in it. And this side over here, it's a real mess. They had to do major work on it, and it's got an infection, and they had to go in and clear out dead skin or affected skin, whatever was turning black. Lunch at the hospital. Have lots of different places to eat here.
Okay, today is free parking. Normally we have to pay. This is the shuttle bus.
Yeah,
Free
here's
shuttle
the
bus.
free shuttle.
Free shuttle. Go out here.
So left turn only.
Or left turn only.
And so far my camera is still just showing the 360 view of the car.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know what directions we got. Our GPS is still showing the 360 view around the car.
100 turn left. Five hundred turn right. Baby. 400 turn right.
In 300 meters, turn right.
Tight quarters. Nakhon Ratchasima
200 turn right. Yeah. Nakhon
or
Ratchasima.
Korat.
Or Korat.
In
Yeah,
150 meters, turn right.
This
the
is
hell?
pedestrian. 100 turn right.
Turn right. So big, this hospital.
Yeah, this is all
In
still
150
hospital.
meters, turn right.
My goodness.
Thanks to everybody who stayed this far into the video. If you like this content, please mash the like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is Bobby and Jai. It's time to get going. We're out.